As is common before to a major DJI launch, a flood of leaks has just disclosed the majority of the specs and pricing for the upcoming DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and they've exposed a few surprises about the flagship consumer drone. The Mavic 3 Pro is slated to make its formal debut at DJI's event on April 25 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and maybe the biggest surprise from the leaks is the drone's price. The Mavic 3 Pro will cost the same as the existing DJI Mavic 3, according to the trusted DJI leaker Jasper Ellens. While the lesser Mavic 3 Pro bundles cannot be directly compared to the Mavic 3 owing to their different controllers, the Mavic 3 Pro Scene Premium Combo costs the same as the Mavic 3. In this video, we will be looking into all the Mavic 3 Pro's expected characteristics, specs, and other cool features. Before we get into the video, please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get into it. Fortunately, that will not be the most affordable version of DJI's new drone. According to the leaks, you'll be able to purchase a Mavic 3 Pro without a controller for roughly $1,799, or with a DJI RC controller for $2,249. Fly more combos with your choice of the DJI RC or RC Pro controller will reportedly be available as well. While the official pricing may differ from these leaks, they all point to a price decrease for the current DJI Mavic 3. That's not the only good news for drone enthusiasts. According to independent leaks from Quadro News and Jasper Ellens, the Mavic 3 Pro will contain a nearly identical 20-megapixel 4/3 CMOS camera to the original Mavic 3, but with a new Sony sensor. Perhaps more crucially, along with a new mid-telephoto 70mm lens, will presumably receive an upgraded telephoto camera. The telephoto lens on the Mavic 3 Pro, according to reports, will feature a slightly longer focal length of 166mm and a brighter aperture of /3.4. Because of a modest half-inch sensor, this should aid with image quality for long-distance shooting, which will still appear best in bright light. That new mid-telephoto lens, which appears to have a 1x1.3-inch sensor with a 48-megapixel resolution, might also be a useful option to employing digital zoom on the Mavic 3's primary camera. Those specifications indicate that it may use the same sensor as the DJI Mini 3 Pro's primary camera. So what else do the Mavic 3 Pro leaks tell us? In somewhat worse news, the drone will supposedly opens a new tab, be in Europe's C2 class weight category, weighing 958 grams or 963 grams in its scene form. That's a pity, because the Mavic 3 almost qualifies as a C1 class drone, which implies it can fly over humans, according to EU drone legislation. However, with the proper rights and clearances, pros should be able to get past this, and the Mavic 3 Pro is otherwise shaping up to be a fantastic all-around flying camera. Other leaks include a 43-minute flying time and the same O3 Plus transmission as the Mavic 3, which means it can theoretically be flown from up to 15 kilometers away in the United States or 8 kilometers away in other regions. The two current versions in the DJI Mavic 3 series are among the best drones available, but this new third model may cause confusion among drone enthusiasts. If the Mavic 3 Pro costs the same as the DJI Mavic 3, it should potentially lower the price of the latter. Even though the Mavic 3 has 3 cameras, this may make it more enticing than its new sister. However, the prospect of having 3 cameras with that new mid-telephoto in between the wide angle and telephoto may be too appealing to pass up. In terms of cameras, this practically transforms the DJI Mavic 3 Pro into a flying flagship smartphone, allowing it to provide some unique aerial viewpoints for photographs and video. On the other hand, the alleged increased weight, which may push the Mavic 3 Pro into Europe's C2 class, could force drone consumers back to the DJI Mavic 3 or the less expensive DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Either way, all will be revealed on the 25th, and by the time this video comes out, it may already be announced. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on the brand new DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Please be sure to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe for more content like this.